Are you dreaming of starting your own podcast, but stuck on which mic to use? Let's dive into our best microphones for recording a podcast. First up, the MiCreator. You can connect it directly to your smartphone, tablet or computer, built-in headphone jack for monitoring, expandable, awesome sound quality and very affordable. Now, if you're willing to invest a bit more, the OC16, it's also the microphone that I'm talking into, is fantastic. It's known for its clear studio quality sound, but it is affordable. I often use it together with my Audience Evo 4 interface. It's a match. If you want the absolute best sound and the microphone for live, I would recommend the OC818. It's the Austrian gold standard. It has a second output here, so you can record the front and the back separately. Great for recording two podcasters facing each other. A few tips. First, consider your environment. If it's noisy, also try out a dynamic mic like our OD303. Also, don't forget about accessories like pop and windscreens, shock mounts, cables, sturdy stands. This can make a huge difference. Find what works best for your voice, for your space and for your budget. That's it for now. Follow for more podcasting tips. Drop us a comment if you have any questions. Happy podcasting.